Jesse, let us begin with the basics of Python dictionaries.
Sure, Harry. Hafta point neki tumati east. And if this done the paid and in one bed, how to confirm if a company and anime happen near the east can buy companies have to pay. This is just hill polo of your alme can chol soren. Same.
What is a Python dictionary?
A Python dictionary is a mutable, unordered collection of key value pairs. It allows rapid access to values via keys, making it essential for associative arrays and data retrieval tasks.
Key concepts here are Python dictionaries, data structures, explain the structure, and a real-world application. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing dictionaries with lists. What are the advantages of using dictionaries?
Dictionaries provide O1 access time for lookups, making them efficient for searching and storing data. They also facilitate clear associations between keys and values, increasing code readability.
Key concepts here are efficiency, code readability. Highlight specific use cases. Common mistakes candidates make here are not mentioning access times. What are some common use cases for dictionaries?
Dictionaries are widely used for counting occurrences of items, caching data, and implementing lookup tables, such as in JSON parsing.
Key concepts here are JSON parsing, data caching, use relatable examples. Common mistakes candidates make here are failing to illustrate with examples. What are the limitations of dictionaries in Python?
Dictionaries cannot accept mutable types as keys and can consume more memory compared to simpler structures like lists. Additionally, order was preserved only in Python 3.7 onwards, which may impact older implementations.
Key concepts here are memory consumption. Key limitations point out real coding challenges. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking memory issues. How would you merge two dictionaries in Python?
To merge two dictionaries, we can use the update method or the unpacking operator. I would choose unpacking for its clarity.
Key concepts here are merging dictionaries, Python features. Explain your choice of method. Common mistakes candidates make here are not handling key collisions. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more insights on data structures. For such content, do like, subscribe, and share.